Assalamu alaikum everyone. So it's basically a continuation of the previous video. In the previous video we have solved A and B part of question number 3. So now we are going to solve C and D part. Basically every part of this question is different. So I'm trying to solve different questions, and then at the end of the video I will give you some practice questions as well. So C part of this question is B by A minus C by B. So as we discussed already, that the first step is inserting the values. So simply insert the values of different variables and keep them in the bracket if required, like this. So first step is done. Now you can see that this was an algebraic expression, and now it is converted into an arithmetic expression because there are no variables inside. So now we are going to solve it. We will open all the brackets. This will be minus 5 by 3, and this minus and this minus, two minus are when multiplied together, it's a plus sign. We have already discussed it inside in the operations of integers. So this will be plus 6 by 5. So now you can see that there are two unlike fractions which are added together. So to add fractions we need to convert them into like fractions first. So I will take LCM of 3 and 5. LCM is 15. There is no common factor, so I need to just multiply them with the opposite side to make the denominator equal. So I will multiply first fraction with 5 and the second fraction with 3. And now the answer would be minus 25 by 15 plus 18 by 15. So this concept of fraction is called equivalent fraction method. It's very important in maths that whenever you are doing something related with the topics you have learned already, so whenever we are multiplying denominator and numerator both with same number, this is called equivalent fraction method. So now it's very simple. Minus 25 plus 18, and below it's 15. So minus and plus integers, two unlike integers are added together. Sign will be minus because 25 is a big number, and the operation is subtraction. So it's minus 7 by 15. I cannot go further. I cannot simplify this fraction as well, as because this is proper fraction, I cannot convert it into a mixed number. So this will be my answer. So moving on to the D part. This is the last part of this question. So D part is, so it's B plus C by A plus A plus C by B. It looks like a difficult question, but believe me, when you practice it, it is as simple as the previous one. So first step is insert the values. B is minus 5 plus 6 divided by 3. There is no need to put any sign, any bracket, sorry. A is 3 plus C is 6. Now B is minus 5. So I can put a bracket here so that things are not getting mixed up. So very simple. Minus 5 plus 6, it's the operation of integers. Answer is plus 1 by 3. So plus 3, there is a plus sign with 3, and 6, it is 9 by minus 5. So now in the next step, this minus and plus will be changed into minus. So I told you earlier that if there are two signs coming together, resolve them. So 9 by 5. So there is again 3 and 5 in the denominator. LCM is 15. So we will multiply first fraction with 5 and the second fraction with 3 to change them into like fractions. 27 by 15. So now just write down, this is equivalent fraction method. As I told you in the previous one, there is no sign with 5, it is plus 5. Answer will be minus 27 minus 5 is 22 by 15. So now this time I cannot simplify it, but this is definitely an improper fraction, so I can divide it. How to convert improper into a mixed number? I can divide 22 by 15. 15 ones times 15, so there is 7 remainder. So I can write down minus 1 whole 7 by 15. This is my answer. So this is a rule in mathematics that if the answer is improper fraction, you need to convert it into a mixed number. If the answer can be simplified further, so you need to simplify it till the point the fraction is in the simplest form. So now I think so this practice was what was enough. So solve question number 2 as an assignment of this work, all the 4 parts. So try to recognize the operations. After inserting the values, after converting the algebraic expression into arithmetic expression, you need to see that what, according to PEDMAS, which operation needs to be solved first. If there are powers, power of 2 or 3, so please always solve them separately so that you are not confused of either sign or the value it will be getting. So please solve question number 2, all 4 parts, and give me feedback that were you able to solve those questions or not. If there is any query, you can comment me. You can send me a message in the comment section. That's all for today, everyone. Take care. Allah Hafiz.